kiinteistöskeyhtiö maatalo.
Jyväskylä. This is Keskuskatu.
Keskustie.
Keskustie, 22 Keskustie. Jyväskylä. Keski-Suomi, Finland. So we do have 7 floors. It was built in early 1984. Turned 35 years old in 2019. And the net pictures, as you remember, say 63285. Amazing. So let us light up here. And it's fast.
Yeah.
It's a bit more amazing. But wait, I'm not sure. Maybe I have filmed this. On the other side, it's open. I think.
I think this is not open, but I'm not sure.
But okay, it's just in case video. Will be expected in the next year, 2022.
Mm.
I think I found this before, but anyway. It's a retake or just in case.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, you have filmed
Yeah,
it.
because it was open on the other side.
Was it fully open or?
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
In the daytime.
No, I think, but it was open for some reason, probably.
Yeah.
I think it's not normally open, this building, but because I haven't filmed it. I have filmed many letters at Keskustiesta. Niistä tippaakin Jyväskylä. Mietin paikkaan.
I haven't found so many Keskustie yet.
Yeah.
But I will also film next time more.
Yeah.
To be the ground floor.
One.
Oh, one.
One is the.
Keskustie.
Yeah.
That's it. I can watch my previous video.
Yeah. That's.